Good morning, grade 9s. It's Ma'am Rousseau. I'm going to explain the example on page 36 where you have to do the general ledger of a retail or trading business. Now, I've just explained in the previous video the informal T accounts for cash sales. Now, when we finish doing the cash receipt journal and cash payment journal, we have to post these amounts into our general ledger. And our general ledger is the formal way of entering the amounts of the rough work T accounts. Now, the first thing that you should remember is in grade 8, we taught you that if a journal has a column like sales, cost of sales in your CRJ, and your bank and trading stock in your CPJ, then the date you use is always the last date of the month. When it is a single entry that will go into the sundry accounts, the sundry accounts date will then be the date of entry. Now, the first thing that you should know is we will start with the CRJ. If you look at the CRJ, your sales in your CRJ has got a column. If it's got a column, it means you will have to use the last date of the month. You'll see this is May 2018. Now, in your sales, in your general ledger, the first entry will be May the 31st. Bank, because bank is sales best friend. CRJ, because that's the journal where it comes from. And then the figure is the 48,000. Now, because bank is the best friend of sales, the next entry will go to bank. If you look in bank, you will see that bank has also got a column in the CRJ, which means in your bank it's going to be May the 31st, total receipts, just like we taught you in grade 8, CRJ 48,000. Now the 48,000, if one account is debited, the other account must be credited according to the double entry rule. Good. Then the next entry that you see in your CRJ is cost of sales. It's got a column. If it's got a column, it means you have to use the last date of the month. Now, if you go to cost of sales on the debit side, you'll see May the 31st, trading stock, CRJ, okay, trading stock is cost of sales best friend and the amount of 36,000. And because they are best friends, you must then go to trading stock on the credit side because you sell, okay, May the 31st, cost of sales because trading stock and cost of sales is best friends, CRJ, and the figure is 36,000. That is the everything from your CRJ. Then, if you go to your CPJ, you will see in your CPJ, remember now this is payments. That means you bought trading stock. If you look at your trading stock, you will see that trading stock increases on the debit side. And because trading stock has got a column, you will say May the 31st, bank CPJ, and the figure is 80,000. Now, because you purchase cash, if you go to bank, you will see May the 31st, total payment CPJ, 80,000. That concludes the posting in your general ledger. Now, very important is that you should remember that if we give you balances like in activities 16 and 17, you must always start with those balances. The other thing you should remember is you should know the formats of these accounts by heart. I'm going to send you a photo of these formats and you have to study them by heart. So the first thing that you will do is you will write down the formats of each T account, and then you will write the balances and then all the figures from the different journals. Good luck. If you struggle, then you can contact me.